Welcome back to the shop. Today we'll be installing these hood latch pins. Since I took out all the factory harnesses, or the factory hood latch and all that stuff, I'm going to try to put them right here. And that should be high enough to get it up. We'll be taking a piece of angle iron from underneath this lip on the back side here, give me space to get the other nut underneath there. This guy. So that'll set on there like that. This will set up out here, like I said, I'll have that angle iron right here. Another nut on top of there, squish it down and jam it. And we'll drill a hole through the hood and hopefully it'll work. Let's get to it. I don't know what it is with this China-made garbage. See how far out they are, the top and bottom. I mean, they don't even want to shut. When they do shut, they come out of the hole. I mean, which I can't even hardly get them. That one's working. I don't know why this one ain't, but I got a remedy for that. Come with me. Alright, you take these. Problem fixed. Then you come over to your hardware drawer. Look at that. Works good. I don't know where these are made, but they don't feel like China. That'll work. If you guys wondering why I don't want to use the cotter keys or hairpins, whatever you want to call them. I don't like these. I just like these better. That's what we're going to go with. Right there where that bolt is, need to drill a hole. We'll get that done real quick. A little bit of adjustment, but that's pretty close. Now the hood can't go nowhere. Alright guys, to get these adjusted, they got these little pieces of pop can here. I don't know if I like these or not, but they go over that like that. And that protects your paint, which as you can see they kind of go past, so I guess I can always hook them like that. Maybe, maybe not. I'm gonna figure something out on that. I don't like that, 'cause that's gonna hit the paint. Just rub on it. There it is. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one.